Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I'm...
Okay guys, disclaimer, I cannot put this up. It is not going to do what I want it to do. It is beautiful. I'm going to insert some pictures so you can see how it looks. It is a really beautiful unit. I would have liked it if it was more of a kind of hanging one like this, opposed to like this, and then this kind of goes like that. So this is what you hang your towels on. It's really cute. I think it would be really, really cute by a pool. You could put, the little towel rack. It's metal. It'll last outside. And then you have the little shelf at the top. You can put the sunscreen and everything. But this is not going to do what I want it to do in my bathroom. So I'm not going to put it up. But it is a really cute unit. I think it is, it is very, very nice. Great quality. And again, this is what it looks like when you have it fully made. So if you can see that. So yeah, but just not going to be able to do what I needed to do in my bathroom. So yeah, and I no longer have a pool, so I cannot put this outside. So we'll have to think of something else, but very, very nice. So anyway, on with the video. Okay guys, if you watched my other videos, you know that I am getting ready for my trip. So I have a lot of little stuff that I am actually putting together, and I saw these items that I thought would help me pack, because girl, you know, women, we can overpack. And I pack a few months in advance. I spread my clothes out, get all my outfits together, and then I change them, and then I change them again, then I put in for the final run, and then I start packing. So these are a few items I got that's going to help me organize my suitcases. Girl, I said it. Suitcases. So, okay, for the first things I got were these little items right here. You know, you always taking a full thing of a full container of your makeup. This is so you don't have to. So you have these little spray bottles in here, and let me open this up so you can see it, because I thought it was so cute, the little case that it comes in. First of all, you get these little items right here that's going to help you scoop stuff out. You get 3, I think you get 4 of those. Yeah, you get 4 of those. And then these are made out of a really nice plastic. So really, really squishy, soft, washable. The top just pops off. You can squish your stuff right in your hands. This whole top comes off, so you're able to kind of put everything in here. Now this top is suction proof, so you can squeeze stuff out, but it's not going to spill all out in your suitcase or anything like that. So I actually love these. You can even put little labels on these to let you know what you are putting in them. You can write it out, of course, but girl, I like putting labels on stuff. So I would put labels on these and put like my, my lotion, my not sunscreen, but just facial stuff that you use for your face. It also comes with these little containers right here, which I thought were cute, but I don't know what the hell I would put in. Probably if I were doing contacts or something like that, or maybe some little earrings, stud earrings, I could put them into these little cases. That's just cute. I mean, it's not big, but it's cute. And of course, they all come in different colors. So yeah, you can find little stuff to put in these. Maybe some little moisturizer that you use all the time, and you have a big bottle, you're trying to take it on the airplane to get it confiscated. You want to go ahead and use this. So I'm loving this, especially for a quick trip. I'm going to San Diego, so this is going to be perfect for my little quick trip. And when you need to wash it out, they give you this little washer that you can clean everything out. So I love that. And of course, you can store this all in this little case. So everything is put together. You can just shove this into your suitcase. So yes, I love that. Enough talking. Next thing I got were these little items right here. They're just little bags. Now you probably could wash clothes in these bags, but I love them because I can store socks, underwears, any stuff that's like used, I've already used. I can put in these little bags instead of just like rolling them up in my suitcase and leaving them there. You could also put shoes in here or something like that. Oh, they give you this little cone so you can squeeze your stuff down into the bottles. And I didn't see that fall out, so I'm gonna put it back in here because girl, I'm gonna need it. And it all comes in this little carry case. So that's cute. So yeah, so that's why I got these little items. I got this small one, then I got this orange one. They're color coded. You can do a lot of things with them, like put your shoes in them, wash your bras in them. You can just, put your dirty clothes in them. Whatever you want to do, you can do with these without shoving all your stuff in a suitcase. The next little thing I got was, I got these. These are from Champs. It's a 6-piece set, ensemble de pieces. So it helps you pack their packing cubes. I need packing cubes. So this one comes like, to store them, you can put them all in one case. So that's what it looks like. Let me just take this off, because I'm excited about this. I normally don't get excited about stuff, especially when I'm packing, because I feel like I pack in advance. Because I want to change the outfits in there about 4 or 5 times before I settle on something. But when I'm putting together like my shoes, I'm putting together like my, my shoes, and then I got my bras, panties, pajamas. You want tops to go with certain things, swimsuits. You can get all of those things in these little cubes, and they come in all kind of sizes. I'm just now opening them all up, girl. It's so cute. And then you can just use this to pack right inside your suitcase. So you can see the different size by the tops that I'm opening up. So you see that? That is just really, really cute. This is just perfect for like, your toiletries or something like that. Now what I did want to get, I wanted to get something like I could put my earrings and stuff in. But this is, you can put your washers, your sunglasses, and they have, look at this, guys. This is the smallest, this is the last one. It has this little carrying case to it. So let's say you're going through your pocketbook, and your suitcase, and you need to find something particular. You know where it is because it's in a little bag. Again, these are like, this one is like perfect for your earrings, your bracelets, your jewelry. Yeah, they have little cases for glasses too, but I was just thinking I could put my shades just right into something like this. If I had some makeup brushes, extra makeup brushes, instead of taking my full thing, I can like put my little toiletries in here, and then I can kind of slide them in my bag. But as you can see, these are all the sizes of the bags. right there. Isn't this really, really cute? I can't wait to use it. The biggest bag is pretty nice. I'm thinking you can really put your shirts, your tops, fold them up real nice, and then just kind of put them in the back, zip them up, slide them in, and you can always put stuff on top of it, but it's very organized. So when I get to packing, guys, I'm going to show you how I organize all of this in my suitcase. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you go and check out Sundoso for the towel rack. It is actually a superior towel rack you can use outside. It doesn't fit my bathroom, but it may be perfect for you. I'm telling you, just if you have small kids or something like that, right by the front door, they can hang their coats on. It doesn't have to necessarily be used for a towel rack or a kid's room. You can put that in as well. They can put little stuff up there as they come in from school, toss their keys and their little they have to have little IDs now. They can hang all those things right from the little rack. So it's perfect for those type things. Dorm, yeah, absolutely perfect. When you're in a small space, you're trying to organize things. This Sundoso has that correct. They maybe not should just limit it to a towel rack. They should just say a utility rack, because you can use that everywhere. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Just the Queen Wells, loving you and saying thank you for watching. Don't forget to check me out on all the rest of my platforms. You can see me as Just a Queen Wells everywhere. Everywhere, child. Everywhere. So, I love you guys. Thanks for joining me, and mwah, mwah, mwah. See you later.